Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to delve into the roles and responsibilities of auditors as outlined in ISO 19011, the International Standard for Auditing Management Systems. Understanding these roles and responsibilities is crucial for ensuring effective and impartial audit processes. ISO 19011 provides guidance on auditing management systems, emphasizing the importance of competence, impartiality, and integrity in the auditing process. The standard outlines specific roles and responsibilities for auditors to ensure the effectiveness and credibility of audits. Roles of auditors: conducting audits. Auditors are responsible for planning, executing, and reporting on audits of management systems. This includes determining the scope of the audit, selecting audit methods and techniques, and conducting on-site or remote audits as necessary. Evaluating conformity. Auditors assess the conformity of the organization's management system with applicable standards, regulations, and other criteria. They examine documentation, interview personnel, and observe processes to gather evidence of compliance or non-compliance. Identifying opportunities for improvement. In addition to assessing conformity, auditors identify opportunities for improvement within the organization's management system. They may offer recommendations for enhancing efficiency, effectiveness, and compliance based on their audit findings. Maintaining objectivity. Auditors must maintain objectivity and impartiality throughout the audit process. This includes avoiding conflicts of interest, remaining independent from audited activities, and ensuring that audit findings are based on factual evidence. Communicating audit findings. Auditors are responsible for communicating audit findings effectively to the organization's management and relevant stakeholders. This includes documenting audit results, identifying non-conformities, and providing clear and concise reports. Ensuring confidentiality. Auditors must ensure the confidentiality of audit information and protect sensitive data obtained during the audit process. This includes handling documentation and records securely and disclosing audit findings only to an authorized party. This includes handling documentation and records securely and disclosing audit findings only to authorized parties. Responsibilities of auditors. Competence and training. Auditors are responsible for maintaining the necessary competence and skills to perform audits effectively. This may involve ongoing training, professional development, and staying abreast of changes in relevant standards and regulations. Ethical conduct. Auditors must adhere to ethical principles and standards of professional conduct. This includes honesty, integrity, fairness, and respect for confidentiality. Auditors should avoid conflicts of interest and act in the best interests of the organization and stakeholders. Continuous improvement. Auditors have a responsibility to continuously improve their auditing practices and methodologies. This includes seeking feedback, learning from audit experiences, and implementing lessons learned to enhance audit quality and effectiveness. In conclusion, adhering to the roles and responsibilities outlined in ISO 19011 is essential for auditors to conduct impartial, effective, and credible audits of management systems. By upholding the principles of competence, objectivity, and integrity, auditors contribute to the overall success and improvement of organizations. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.